Hi, and welcome to Qlik Fix. In this video, we're going to see how to get server environment details. This is some basic information that Qlik Support requires when submitting a support case. First, go to support.qlik.com. This is our support portal. Here you can take advantage of our Coveo-powered search tool, which will search across our knowledge base, Qlik Help, and Qlik Community posts to help you find the answer you're looking for faster. If you search for environments information, there is an article with all the documentation you need. There is a link to this article below, but you may have already found it. The article has a downloadable batch file attached. Download this file. The batch file will collect all the information listed here. Once you've downloaded the batch file, it will look like this: Server Stat version 2.16. You can download it anywhere on the server. I created a folder on the C drive called Server Stats. Just click on it, and now it will run and extract all the information about your Sense installation that support needs to quickly investigate your case. All you need to do then is attach the file it creates to your support case in the support portal. The batch will take a few minutes, and it will generate a text file once it's done. It contains several Windows commands that were listed in the article. Otherwise, you will need to collect all the technical details of your installation manually. This process will just speed things up for you. Here you can see it finished and generated this text file. If you open it up, you can see it's got the version number of the batch file, all of the ports being used, all the tasks running on the machine, the process IDs, the users running the processes. This will allow the technician to quickly identify exactly what is happening on the server. It has firewall information, if the firewall is turned on or off, how it's set up. There's network information, proxy information, if IIS is set up or not, disk space, administrator information, the groups, system information, server name, host name. This is all very useful. Running this batch will provide Qlik Support all the information they need regarding the Qlik environment. This information is essential to provide support during an investigation or a support case. I hope this has helped. Please search for more information in the support portal. Thanks for watching. Nailed it.